Glad to meet you all. All are fine and good. I hope everyone will be fine and good. This is your ma'am Hema Malini from Bharadasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to see one wonderful poem from the subject English. Before that, do you know what is the meaning for poem and the poet? Let's see now. See, a poem is a piece of writing in which the words are chosen for the beauty and sound and are carefully arranged in the short line which rhyme. And do you know who is poet? Let's see now. A person who has gift of poetic thoughts, imagination, creativity together with eloquency of expression. He is going to be a poet. Do you know what poem today we are going to see? The poem about it's wonderful and one small kid. That boy is so innocent. Shall we see now? So, before that, have you ever tried to wake up the person who is sleeping? Really? You all tried? How did you do? Pallavi, you go and open your mom's eyes while she is sleeping. Oh my God. Today our topic is about that only. So, open your eyes. It's written by Lucy Lorcombe. She is a poet of this poem. So, the theme of the poem is about ignorance of that innocent boy. Ignorance of that innocent boy. And the poetic device which they are used here is repetition and simile. So, repetition is nothing but the same line will come again and again. So, that only we are saying that as a repetition. And simile is nothing but just imagination and we are going to compare two things. That only simile. Let's see the poem now. See, open your eyes. In this, one innocent boy is there. What he is doing means, he start to wake up her mother. Mummy, wake up. The day begins. You start to wake up. He is call his mother to wake up. Why he is wake upping? Because something he want to see in her mother's eyes. So that's why that boy is wake upping. Let's see now the poem. Open your eyes, Mama. The day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama, I want to look in. I say, you know, you want to look in her mom's eyes. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys, just my size. Where are they now? Where are they now? Who can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? This boy is asking her mother. Let's see the poem by stanza wise. See the first stanza. Open your eyes, Mama. Here, your refers to her mother. That boy's mother. So here, your refers to mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. And the meaning for Mama is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. The boy asking her mother to wake up. Why? That day is soon going to begin. Begin is nothing but the meaning of begin is start. S-T-A-R-T, start. What is the meaning for begin? Yes, very good. S-T-A-R-T, start. Mama means mother. Again that boy is asking, open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. I want to look in. It's nothing but look in. It's nothing but see in. See, S-E-E-C, in. That boy want to see inside her mom's what? Face. No, eyes. So, once again I am reading this. Open your eyes, Mama. The day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. That boy asking, Mommy, Mommy, wake up. That day is going to start begin. So wake up, Mommy. I want to look something in your eyes. That boy want to see something. What will that one? That's something I said no. What he want to see inside her mother's eyes? Let's see in the second stanza. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes. So yesterday is nothing but previous day. Okay, fine. Yesterday, dear Mama. Mama is, it's here refers to mother. Dear also refers to, he's calling his mother as a dear. If you want to show the, how to say, if you want to show our feeling, affection, we will call them as a dear. Yes, right? Dear Mummy, dear friend, because of a more affection. You are exposing your affection by say this word dear. So, yesterday dear Mama, out of your eyes, your refers to that boy's mummy, mother. So, out of your eyes, peeped two little boy. What is the meaning for peeped? Peeped means quick look. We are saying no, fraction of second. Everyone will use, yes, right? Fraction of second this has happened. Everyone will say like this, no, the peep, the meaning of peep is what here? Quick. Fine? Quick look. So meaning of peep here is, everyone will use in the fraction of second this has happened. Quickly, we are using no, quickly, fast. The meaning of peep here is quick look. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick look. L-O-O-K. Two little boys. Two little means tiny. We can say as tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. Just my size. That boy is saying, I think he has yesterday in the previous day, before he is going to bed, he saw two tiny little boys inside her mom's eyes. How will they be in the eyes of her mother? We are having a doubt. It's right. Same doubt the boy also having. How it possible? How that boy go inside my mom's eyes? He asking the doubt. Everyone has a doubt, no? See the next stanza, we will get an answer. So see here, this was that boy see at yesterday. See here, peeped look, while he was seeing two little boys were inside his mom's eyes. So see here, where are they now? How can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? That boy is asking us question. So in this stanza, he keep the queries to his mother. He is asking, where are they now? Where are they now? I think he is not see the same boy now at morning, not now, at morning. While he wake up and seeing his mother's eyes, that boy is not at all seeing those boys are present on the yesterday. So that's why he is asking, where are they now? How could they be? What they are asking? Enga irukka mummy ava? Eppadi avanga vandanga? He is asking like that. In the next stanza, he is asking again his queries to keep a queries to his mother. What means? Do you love those boys as they love me? He is asking his mother. So this poem is end with unanswered question of that boy. In this stanza, the poet discloses the reason for making her mother to wake up. Do you know why that boy want to wake up her mother? Already I say that he want to see something inside her mother. That something is nothing but the two little boys. Do you know why that boy has asking her mother today where they are? Before that, he has asking many questions to his mother. And also this poem is end without any answer. I will say you the answer for you and the secret behind this. So when you see the mirror, you can see your face. Not only you. If I go and see the mirror means it will show my image. The same thing. This is the reason of reflection. If you go and stand in front of the mirror, we can see our face only. So it is reflection. The same thing which is happen in her mom's eyes. It's just a reflection. Though he is a tiny boy, he could not understand that that is Ha's image only, his image only. So that he has asking his doubt to his mother, where are they now? And then in the next day he can't see that boy same again. So that only he is asking this question, where are they, mummy? Did you love me as you like that? So because he is so tiny and so innocent, that's why he having a more possessiveness towards his mother. So you people also have the same possessiveness towards your mother. If anyone come and she is my daughter, or she is my mom, or she is my aunt, if they say also, you will go and you get anger and go and fight with me. Don't say like this. This is my mom only. You are go and fighting with them like that. Is right. This is of possessiveness. The same thing that boy also have with his mother. I think you all enjoy this poem. Is right. So thank you all enjoy this poem. I hope everyone will enjoy this poem. And also you know that what is the secret behind this poem. It's a reflection. நம்ம வந்து மிரரில் பார்த்தா நம்மளோட ஃபேஸ் தான் தெரியும். சேம் திங் ஹைஸில் நம்ம பார்க்கும்போதும் அதே தான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் தெரியும். அதுதான் இந்த பையனும் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கான், பார்த்துருக்கான். ஆனால் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே பார்க்கும்போது அவங்க வந்து கிடையாது. ஒய்? பிகாஸ் தட் பாய் இஸ் நாட் find it properly. அவன் நல்லா பார்க்கல. So that's all. That's our poem. I think everyone has enjoyed this. Thank you very much. In the description we have attached subject material, self-assessment, question bank. Go through it and make yourself clear on that. Thank you once again.
I am V. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. S. Ritika.